forget, we're live this Saturday, 24th of February at 2 p.m. Sit down and relax and see what I can create with these fabulous containers. Now this is going to be my first live event, so fingers crossed it's all going to go to plan, but my intentions are to use these simple, very basic plain containers to show you different ways of how you can create some springtime arrangements. Okay, so I'm going to make the most of the spring flowers that are about and show you how you can make a variety of arrangements using some different sizes and shapes of containers. Now I've picked something that's fairly basic that you should all be able to get hold of, or something that you might have very similar to it at home. They're all new containers, we haven't seen them before on any of the YouTube channel. So don't forget, this Saturday, 24th of February at 2 p.m. If the rugby's on, then there's a good opportunity for you to watch something a little different. If you can't watch me live, then don't worry, because you'll be able to watch the video in a rerun, just like you watch the normal YouTube tutorials. If you're live with me, you'll be able to ask questions. So my plan is to do a live session once a month, the last Saturday of every month. This first one is a bit of an experiment, so please be patient with me if anything goes wrong. And if you have any questions, we'll try and answer them during the live session. But I'm probably going to be very nervous because it's my first time. So I'm looking forward to seeing you. I've got some planning and preparation to do to see what I'm going to do with these fabulous containers, and I shall see you on Saturday.